Your home's exterior is the first thing people notice, whether it's friends stopping by, potential buyers driving through the neighborhood, or just your neighbors. In Knoxville, where charm and character play a big role in real estate value and neighborhood pride, upgrading your windows can be one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your home's curb appeal. Let's look at how new windows can give your home an instant facelift and why they're worth the investment. A fresh, clean look. Old windows can make your home look worn out, especially if the frames are faded, chipped, or warped. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause visible wear and tear, even if you keep up with basic maintenance. Replacing your old windows with new ones gives your home a crisp, clean appearance that's hard to miss. Whether you choose a modern design or something more traditional to match your home's character, updated windows send the message that your home is well cared for. Style that matches your home. New windows come in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes. This means you can choose something that perfectly matches the design of your home, whether it's a cozy bungalow in North Knoxville or a classic brick home in Sequoia Hills. You can go with large picture windows that let in tons of light or double-hung styles for a more classic look. You can even mix and match styles to highlight certain areas of your home, like adding a bay window in the living room or a sleek sliding window in the kitchen. The right window style adds personality and charm to your home's exterior while also improving its overall visual balance. Improved color and frame options. Window frames today aren't limited to just white or beige. You can choose from bold colors, natural wood looks, and even black or bronze finishes for a striking modern appearance. This gives you the chance to accent your siding, roofline, or front door, tying the entire exterior together in a more polished way. The added visual detail from custom frames can give your Knoxville home that extra wow factor. Increased natural light. Even from the outside, you can tell when a home gets great natural light. New windows with larger glass areas or thinner frames can brighten up the home's appearance, making it look more open, inviting, and alive. Homes that appear bright from the inside often seem more appealing from the outside too. When sunlight shines through clean, new windows, it brings warmth and vibrancy to your home's look. Energy efficiency that adds value. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about how a home feels and performs. New energy-efficient windows can help regulate indoor temperature, reduce your utility bills, and even block out noise. Buyers today appreciate these upgrades and are often willing to pay more for a home that already has them in place. So not only do new windows boost visual appeal, but they also add real market value and comfort. A boost for resale or just everyday enjoyment. If you're thinking about selling your Knoxville home, curb appeal matters a lot. It can influence how many people want to see your home and how they feel before even stepping inside. But even if you're staying put, there's something to be said for loving the way your home looks every time you pull into the driveway. New windows give your home that fresh, updated feel that makes you proud to show it off. Final thought. updating your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's curb appeal in Knoxville. From improving the overall look to adding energy efficiency and value, it's a smart investment that pays off in both appearance and function. Whether you're prepping your house to sell or simply wanted to stand out on your street, new windows can make all the difference.